Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 60, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles, at which point on one of the pages, if you don't click on any of them like I did, should be able to find power saving mode, and here it's actually called battery saver to be more precise. Now if you can't find this toggle on any of the pages, you can click right here on this pencil, scroll down below the text, and everything here below it is a toggle that you can add. So to do so, you would hold it, you will see it lifts up, at which point you can drag it around, drag it above, drop it, and when you go back, the added toggle should be visible on one of the pages. In any case, from here, once you find it, just simply tap on this mode. It gives you this pop-up window. This only shows up once, and it says select battery saver mode. So we have standard battery saver, optimize system to save battery, and there we have maximum battery saver, restrict system functions to save the most battery. Now whichever one you will select right here will be the one that will always be turned on in the future, so you need to go into the settings to change this, and I'll show you this in a moment, because both of them might have time and place, but for the most part majority of people will be interested in this one, and we're going to just select turn on the normal one. And you can see it does so. Now what it does is turns on dark theme and restricts your screen refresh rates. It also reduces the screen timeout. It usually also turns off always on display, and does some other things that just change how your device interacts with internet and allows applications to interact with anything like Wi-Fi or mobile network, which could potentially result in you receiving notifications a little bit delayed. Now, this is the normal one. If we, instead of clicking on this toggle, hold it, this will take us to the settings. And here we will be able to switch from standard to maximum and vice versa. So, before I click on it, I'm going to click on the settings. As you can see, in here we also have some other options. We can turn off 5G. So that's an option for you. And also choose which application you consider as the essential one. By default, it's only these 5 actually. For retarded reasons, Google considers one of their spyware applications to be essential. It's funny how that works. As long as it gathers your data, Google considers it to be essential. And I'm going to show you what I mean in a second, because it will be very visible. So actually, let's go back in here, just back here, and I'm going to switch to the maximum. Yes. And here we go. We don't have widgets, we don't have wallpaper, and most applications aren't essential. You can actually, without adding these applications to the essential, open them up by just clicking on it, and it asks you if you want to unpause it. Now this won't permanently unpause it. So after a moment it will go back to being suspended, unlike if you add it to that list, which will just keep it as such. But hey, look at that. We have one unwanted application in here, and that is an essential app that you can't even remove. You piece of shit, know your fucking place. Disable, force stop, know your place, you trash. There we go, I fixed it. So that's it. Now, like I mentioned, when we turn it off, the power saving mode, next time you turn it on, next time we turn it on, it will re-enable the last used mode. So you would need to hold this toggle, like I showed you before, and change it right here. And now anytime you will turn it on and off, it will be using the normal battery saver instead of the maximum one. So there we go. Now, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.